Got a 2016-17 Honda Foreman 4x4 EFI power steering. The starter is bad. Start button, solenoid ticks. I mean, I could show you how to confirm that quick. Maybe actually, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll show you how to do that. But really, just pop the seat off, pop these side covers off, and the tank shroud and everything, just to get down in there. Starter, you know, is that guy there. I'm just gonna grab a test light quick. I'm gonna show you how to check to make sure that your starter is getting power. So I got my real cheap 50-cent test light here. They're cheap, but they work. Okay, one end again on the starter, the other end on the incoming power. And hit your starter, start button. Your test light lights up. So you know the starter is getting power. Likely at this point. I should throw some music in with that. Got a little dance party. Oh, so at this point, you know the starter's bad. So a guy could take the airbox off and the ductwork and all that. Take the hose clamps off, pull the airbox out. I'm gonna try this without pulling off the airbox. We've got the first screw started and it's ready to come out, and there's plenty of clearance. Second screw to remove is gonna be this guy back here. See if we can get a wrench on it. We should be good to go. Probably use the open end of the wrench. Crack loose. It's another helpful thing. If we can loosen or remove this cable clamp, that'll help give you some slack so you can move some things in there. Second screw looks like will come out. Just have to make some slight room in there. There we go. Okay, so far so good. Now I got a rod here. It's my friend Rod. I'm just gonna take my hammer, my friend hammer, and we'll pound that back and just get the starter knocked out. There's just an O-ring in there like this, so it's just kind of holding it in. I think it'll just pop out. So pretty easy. From there it come out. So going good here. I just took my rod again and kind of pried up a little bit on the airbox, not much, and was able to get my other hand in there and get the starter pulled out. So now we just need to access that back bolt or stud or nut that's holding the cable on. So I'll try and turn that in a way that we can get to it. So here's a slick way for this. Just tip it down, change the cable, loosen up that nut, take that nut off, put your new starter on, and then hopefully just all the reverse order and we should be back together. Okay, pull the starter. Just like that is out. Sucker is hot. Smoking hot. Stuck solid. New starter. So what I'm gonna do is just throw a little used oil on that O-ring. That helps putting it all back together. All right, slap some oil on there. So new starter is connected to the cable. Put the rubber cap back on, and then we'll feed it back up to the top. So I reached in underneath the exhaust, around that plastic, was able to grab it, kind of pushing back and up on the airbox, and put the starter back into place. So starter is there, you know, cable's good, cap is on. So I would say at this point, it can be done. Just like that. Not bad, not bad. I mean, if you had smaller hands or you got little kids and stuff that like, you know, grabbing at this stuff, it'd work out slick. But yeah, throw the bolts on, throw it back together. Did not have to remove the airbox. And just like that, we got a new starter. Okay, rain's about to be here, but yeah, I got that on, put the bolt on, you know, back the way it was. Through that ring. There's a new starter for you. Just want to do a quick test toast. Oh yeah. Like that, we're good, boys. Back in business. Thanks for watching.